Welcome to the guided meditation for manifesting huge amounts of money by Pooja S. Judhani from Cosmic Healing Studio. Do you have money woes? Well, we all have from time to time. Let me ask you one question. What if your mind is preventing you from accessing the limitless abundance that's available to you? Yes, your thoughts create your own life. You may have a negative attitude about money without even knowing it. If you have ever thought that other people have financial freedom but you cannot, money is the root of all evil, or only greedy people want to be rich, you need to reassess your relationship with money. With this guided meditation, we are going to transform all our negative beliefs to kickstart your life as a money magnet. Let's begin the meditation. Start by sitting or lying in a room with no distractions. Close your eyes and draw your attention to your breath. Slowly inhale and gently exhale, softening your body with each breath. Allow your body to relax. Let it sink into deep relaxation. Notice every sensations in your body. If you experience any tension, allow it to flow out with every exhalation. As you inhale, take in a higher level of relaxation, and as you exhale, release all that which is not required by your body. Observe how the universe is supporting you to be comfortable. All you need is to breathe in and breathe out. Bring your attention to the feeling of joy in your body. Notice, remember any happy moment in your past or your recent past, and notice how good it feels. At this moment, you have everything you need. The joy, this abundance, this happiness is always available to you. Be now even more comfortable as my voice guides you to a more relaxed state. Observe how grateful you feel at the moment. Now, extend your awareness beyond your body. For this, shift your attention to the world outside of the space that you are in. In your mind's eye, Notice how abundant the trees are. There are trillions of blades of grass covering the earth. The rain falls, making rivers and streams booming, swelling with liquid wealth. Those bodies of water flow into the oceans, where the droplets continue to move in the steady streams of riches that exists within the universe. Nature doesn't try to make itself smaller when it feels like getting too big, then why we? Flowers open to absorb more sunlight. Trees extend their roots to absorb more nourishment. You are an element of nature too. You are a part of this cycle. Plus, you have the power of consciousness. You can use your awareness to attract everything that you desire. Just allow yourself to explore what's holding you back. Release all that is holding you back. Now, reflect on your financial situation right now. Your external circumstances mirror your desires. Those deep subconscious desires or yearnings will guide your life if you keep blocking them and stuffing them away. What is your situation regarding money? Do you live in debts to debts, bills to bills? Do you find that everything that comes in goes out again at the speed? Give yourself a moment to look at your life. Now, consider that your current situation reveals a hidden, perhaps dark craving. We can call this your shadow desire. If you live in bills to bills, paychecks to paychecks, perhaps you get a rush of adrenaline when you aren't sure whether you can pay your next bill, remain in insecurities. Maybe you enjoy putting the pieces of your financial puzzle together every month because it makes you feel like you're being responsible. Maybe you even feel a little rebellious because you're going against everything you ever learned about budgeting. It's okay to feel that way. You may find it hard to believe that a part of your desires to live on the edge of financial insecurity, but everyone has shadow desires. Once you can accept that those are part of you, you begin to live in your wholeness. You raise your vibration, increasing your frequency so that the desires that you have judged as negative fall away. Just need to accept. There is nothing wrong. Everything works well with the divine plan. Once you accept your darkness and desires, more than 50% of the solutions are on the way. With a high energetic vibration, you can be more intentional about manifesting what your conscious mind wants. With me, repeat the following phrases in your mind. I am whole and all of my desires are valid. I am whole and all of my desires are valid. I do not judge myself for wanting those things. I never judge myself for wanting those things. It is okay to yearn for struggle as much as I crave financial freedom. It's okay to yearn for struggle as much as I crave financial freedom. Now, you are ready to reprogram yourself to resolve your money issues. Allow yourself to visualize the life that you want. Do not hold back. Do not question yourself. Just allow. Trust the images, phrases, or thoughts that come to you are true and possible. Remember, the universe is showing you exactly what is meant for you. You are building a world that's just as real as the one that exists at your fingertips. In fact, you have the utmost control over this vision that you're creating in your mind. In this world, you are limitless. Your bank account is overflowing. You have everything that you want and need, financial or otherwise. Allow yourself to feel the emotions and gratitude that flow into you, and when you know that you are secure and abundant. Feel all the goodness, the emotions, the gratitude, knowing that you are limitless. All the abundance, all the money is coming your way. Now, repeat the following affirmations in your mind. I create my life. Wealth flows around me all the time. I am rich. Money comes to me effortlessly. I am aligned with abundant energy. I am a money magnet. I can have anything I want. Everything I want is available to me. Anything I can visualize will flow to me easily. Anything I can visualize will flow to me easily. Even if you don't quite believe those affirmations at first, keep repeating them to yourself. Sometimes you have to break down the limiting beliefs that you lived with for years before you can truly have faith in these positive statements. Just stating these phrases out loud or in your mind's eye, however, raises your frequency so that you can begin to attract abundance right now. Remember that you can always come back to this meditation to fill yourself with an abundant mindset. Wealth flows through the universe. All you have to do is just breathe in. With that knowledge, allow yourself to come back to your body. Feel your aliveness. Bring your attention back to the room around you. Your reality is abundant. Before you open your eyes, set yourself some appreciation for making this meditation a priority. Experience the feeling of gratitude for yourself, your power, your will, and everything that life has given you this far. Gently open your eyes, feeling fresh, energized, and abundant. Thank you.